What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, I'm pretty sure you can already guess what this video is about, and if you guessed correctly, then you guessed it's about this. We already did a video on this, and this is it was basically me trying to get it running. However, if you watch that video, you know that it didn't go too great. Jesus Christ. In this video, I'm actually going to be sort of taking all this like cowling stuff off and really diving into the engine, see whether or not we're even getting a spark, or even if we're actually getting fuel, obviously, to the carburetor itself. In this video, I am determined to get this running. I know that it has compression because obviously pulling the cord, I get resistance, which sort of tells me that the rings are okay on this. Chances are I'm probably going to have to rebuild this. Bought this not too long ago for £60 off Facebook Marketplace. Said it ran. Definitely didn't run. There is a lot of sort of worrying things about this as well. So there's this like screw here that seems to just be part taken out. I'm not too sure as to why that is. The clips are broken at the bottom. The welds, as you can see, are not the greatest. But if you want to see more of an introduction and more of a look around this bike, go watch the last video. I'll put it to this side or that side. Yeah, I can't remember. I'll put it in one of the corners. You guys can actually go watch that video and sort of see as to what this is about. I'm going to start tearing this down. It looks really easy to do. It's just like these 5mm Allen key bolts to take this off. This does need to be cleaned as well, because it is disgusting. There's a lot of like dirt on it and things like that. Also, in last video, I sort of talked about what I sort of want to do with regards to the body of this. I don't know whether to keep the blue or do like a, I don't really know. Guys, if you have ideas like you did in the last video, please put it down in the comments. Let me know what I should paint this bike. Let's get you set up on this, because I'm a professional video maker now apparently, because I have this. I wanted to get you set up on this, and I'm going to start stripping this down. So let's go. Whoosh. Give you guys a bit of a close up. So obviously I've just took that off there, and this is obviously where the fuel sits. See, I don't know if this wasn't running for quite a while and someone's tried to fix it, because that seems very new, whereas like if you take for example the one that's next to it, that doesn't seem very new, and it's like this is soaked in fuel. Like, but look at this dual exhaust, boy. Race car. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! So what I think I'm going to do is unplug this. So this is the spark plug wire. Let me pull this off 1 second. The access on this bike is like nothing. I do have the spark plug code L7T, I think it is. Hold on, boys, let me get this off. Is this good? I don't know if you can see this. Is that good? People that know spark plugs. It's a bit wet maybe, but So this is now where I want to see if it actually sparks. I'm pretty sure I've got to ground this as well. I've only seen this happen, well, let's say happen, I've only seen it, I've literally only seen it on like car building channels. I've actually never done this before, so I'll get you guys set up so you can see. So, if things go well, should see a spark, I hope. I don't want to touch it because I know that you can get a pretty nasty shock from it. Oh, I do get sparks. Yeah, it has to be touching this, it has to be grounded. Right, okay, so I have spark. Let me try and show you. I feel as though I need to show you guys. Right, you ready? You can just see it. I've got no idea if you can see that, but if you can see it, I'll slow it down. I know I saw one through the camera. I'll slow it down so you can see, but we have sparks, so that's good. So got spark, got compression. It's just fuel then. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna literally just spray it down with brake cleaner. I think I've got some brake cleaner in the shed. I'm gonna spray it down with some brake cleaner, spray it like inside and stuff. Maybe even take the line off. Try and see if I can spray some stuff through the line. And maybe even just try and get it started on like brake cleaner. I don't know if that's a possibility with these things, but yeah, right. I know I've got spark, that's good. That's actually really good, I'm really happy. I'm happy. Now, let's get this off. Got some brake cleaner here. I don't have that much of it, so I'm not going to go too mad, but you can hear all the fuel in it as well. Looking so much better now. What I am going to do, I'm going to remove this. So using these 2 bolts here and open this up to see what this is. I think there's a fuel drain at the bottom, so I could just open that and let the fuel drain. Yeah, let's do that. There we go, cracked it off. As mentioned, I'm pretty sure this is going to be full of fuel, so yep. Oh, it stinks. It smells like really old fuel. What the f? Boys, that is, it smells like old fuel. That could be the issue. Maybe the injector's stuck or something with inside here, maybe. Right, seems to be a bit more fuel coming out as well. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I think that's a spray nozzle. Let me get this open. Is this my smallest one? Yes, it is. see. See, I think that is meant to be, that's better. Oh, they were not all in my glove. See, I think this is blocked, you know, boys. Probably shouldn't blow into this. But I am tempted. Wow, that's opened up loads. Holy, yeah, well, I'm gonna say I probably shouldn't blow it, but I blew it. You won't be able to see, but that hole is much bigger now. Maybe that was the problem, boys. Oh, boys, that could have been our issue. That could have been our issue. Just snug that up. I'm not going to do it too tight, obviously, because I don't want to break it. There we go. Sorry. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. I am tempted to put this back on and see if it runs. I don't think I need to put on the air filter. So I'm going to put this back on the bike. I'm going to tilt the fuel up as well so I can get some fuel in it. And then I'm actually going to try and start it. So, wish me luck. Right, before I have a go at trying to start this, I'm just going to remind you guys what I've done. So, I've cleaned, obviously, the carburetor. Look how clean it is compared to the rest. Yeah, obviously we'll clean all this stuff down at a later date. I just want to get the actual thing to run. So yeah, cleaned out the carburetor. I just got some fuel that was sort of sitting in the fuel filter just down here. You just see it where my finger is, and sort of forced it into the chamber. So hopefully there is some fuel now sitting at the bottom here to get it started. We know that that works, the spark. So now we should have spark, fuel, and compression. So please, even if it just runs for like a second, that's all I want. A few little pumps, sort of get this thing going. Come on, baby, please. Don't do me like this. Please, come on. Giving you a little. Come on. Please, man. Please. I have spark. Come on. Oh, this cord's done as well, man. No. This cord's about to break, boys. And there we go. Oh. No. No, no, no. Oh, boys. Oh. Mate, that is a disaster. Boys, I need you to cheer me up. I need you to press the like button. Go subscribe. Help your boy out. Damn it. But yeah, unfortunately, it didn't really happen today. But I am, as mentioned, going to go and get some more fuel for next time. Absolutely gutted. Wanted to get this running at least in this video, but I need you boys to help me. Oh man, I'm so gutted. We got so far. I thought it was going to run in this video, but I'm sorry. It is what it is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This, well, I mean, this is now basically a paperweight at this point. And that, boys and girls, was our POV. Peace out, guys.